Welcome to our comparison of two powerful motherboards, the ASUS Prime B550-PLUS and the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX ICs. In this video, we'll explore their key features, specifications, and how they stack up against each other in terms of performance and value. Whether you're building a budget-friendly system or a high-end gaming rig, understanding these differences will help you make an informed choice. The ASUS Prime B550-PLUS features an AM4 socket, supporting AMD Ryzen 3000 and 5000 series processors, making it a solid choice for budget builds. In contrast, the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX ICE utilizes the newer AM5 socket, designed for the latest Ryzen 7000 series CPUs. This difference in socket compatibility is crucial for users looking to future-proof their systems or upgrade to the latest processors. When it comes to memory, the ASUS Prime B550-PLUS supports DDR4 RAM, allowing for a maximum capacity of 128 GB. This is sufficient for most users, especially in budget builds. On the other hand, the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX ICE supports the newer DDR5 memory, which offers higher speeds and improved performance. This makes it a better option for high-performance systems that require the latest technology. In terms of networking, the ASUS Prime B550-PLUS comes with a 1 gigabit LAN port, which is standard for most users. However, the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX ICE takes it a step further with a 2.5 GBE LAN port and built-in Wi-Fi 6E support, providing faster and more reliable connectivity options. This is particularly beneficial for gamers and content creators who need high-speed internet access. In conclusion, the choice between the ASUS Prime B550-PLUS and the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX ICE ultimately depends on your specific needs and budget. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution for older Ryzen processors, the ASUS board is a great option. However, if you're investing in the latest technology and want to future-proof your build, the GIGABYTE motherboard is worth the extra cost. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and tech insights.